Hi there, it's George here, and today I want to introduce you with a very beautiful plant that I grow for the first time in the pot, and it is Canna indica. I have this plant long time, but for the first time I tried to grow in the pot in winter time, and we'll see if it will bloom inside. And so looking at the leaves, it looks like very decorative and tropical. And let me show you close up. There are a few stems here growing together in this small pot. Let's see more close up here, and we'll see actually if will bloom here indoor or not. And the plant, I just did take a shower to it. It looking brilliant with water drops on it, and I found that it loves a lot of rain in summertime to water almost every day, but here inside in winter time it's not temperatures like in summertime, and I water it once in a week or once in 4 days depending on the soil. And I waiting for blooming, but I am not sure. It may be 50-50 it can bloom. Here I noticed the new leaves, and as you can see the difference, the colors, and the plant it reached 1 meter to me. That is awesome, and we'll see. I planted it in the garden soil and mixed it with compost made by me, and I can see it likes well. So looking, it takes a lot of space but is beautiful. And here also will open a new leaf, and the plant requires sunlight, and here it has sunlight on the windowsill, but not every day because we are in December. That's it. And next to this Canna indica, it is a beautiful mandarin tree that I have, and germinated from seed since 28, and well, it have one fruit in the top. Let me show you, and I am very curious to see it ripen well, but in springtime I have to repot this mandarin. It looking vigorously, but the leaves look like kind of yellow, and it missing something. It for sure it is a root bond, but look on the stem, very thick. That's it. From 28, nice results. But this is from 2017, and it is a lemon tree, and I really enjoyed the fruits. They are so big, and this one I can notice with my eyes it getting a little bit of yellow color. That means it will be ripe in springtime or in February, we will see. And this one I have since 2017, gifted by one friend, a cutting propagated from a lemon tree grafted, and so beautiful. Actually, it is a special video on the Canna indica, but those plants are next to the Canna indica, and they are looking tropical and beautiful, and why not share with you? For sure, when this lemon tree fruits will get ripe, I will make video, and as well I will have to make a video, taste video, how it will be tasting these juicy fruits. And for sure I will make another video update on this Canna indica if it will bloom inside, and will be very interesting. And I just know add fertilizer or stuff like that because the potting soil is rich. That's it. And the heat coming from this, but we'll see. Also banana plants growing here, and started to grow a new leaf. This is Musa Helen's hybrid variety, looking tropical and beautiful. Well, for sure I will make another video update on this Canna indica if will bloom, and will be very interesting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned on my channel, and subscribe if you want, and click the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.